Hi and welcome to this Tech Insights video. My name is Mary and I'm an application engineer here at IFM Effector. You are here because you have either purchased or plan to purchase one of our TD sanitary temperature sensors. In this video, we are going to go over the programming of these sensors. So let's get started. So here you have the Learn More section on our website for our TD temperature sensors. On the left-hand side, under the Setup and Support section, you can find the Programming tab. In this tab, you will find the menu structure for these TD temperature sensors that show you the parameters that can be configured. Now I'm going to take you to our Moneo Configure software to show you how to program these parameters. So here is our Moneo Configure software, which is the parameterization software for our IO-Link devices. In this video, I am using a TD2233 connected to our E30390 programming cable. To get connected to your device, you will click where it says Network Scan in the top right corner. In this video, since I am connected to the programming cable, I will highlight the USB port connection and click Scan. You will then see the software beginning to look for my IO-Link device, and it has now found the TD2233. If I click on the TD2233, you will see the identification information appear, and it'll show me my vendor ID and device ID for this sensor, as well as the serial number and description. If you scroll further down, you will find the parameters that you can change on this device, such as configuring output to, scaling the analog output, changing the display of the sensor, configuring the units, and much more. Another benefit of the Moneo Configure software is over on the right-hand side, you will find this gauge icon, and if you click on this, it'll show you the cockpit view of this sensor, and it'll show you the real-time data updating on your specific sensor. At the top, you will also see this PLC mapping tab. If you click on this, it'll show you the IO-Link data that is mapped to your PLC for your specific sensor. So now let me show you how to actually make some changes to these parameters and how to write them to your device. As I previously mentioned, I am using a TD2233 in this video. This is one of the 6mm diameter process connection options that is used with a compression fitting. Here on the display, you can see that it is currently reading about 87 degrees Fahrenheit, and there is an LED lit under the F degree icon to indicate that. So now let me take you into the software where you can make changes to this sensor. As I previously mentioned, you can change the scaling of the analog output anywhere from -58 to 302 degrees Fahrenheit, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to show you how to make changes to the display so that you can physically see it on my sensor. So if I scroll down to the display section in the software, I'm going to change it from Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, as well as rotate the display 180 degrees. So once you make your selections, you will then go to the bottom right corner of the software and click Write to Device. You will see the change happen on the sensor, as well as the software tell you that the write has been successful. So now if I go back into the software and click Not Rotate It, and then click on Write to Device again, you will see the change happen again, and it is now reading 33 degrees Celsius, as well as the LED under the C degree icon is lit. So that concludes this Tech Insights video on the programming of our TD sanitary temperature sensors. As always, you can check out the Learn More section on our website for helpful information on any of our products. Feel free to contact us at info.us@ifm.com or call into 1-800-441-8246 to speak with somebody who can assist you. Thank you for your time and have a great day.